Petitioners against the anti-terror law continue their assault on the law's highly questionable and unconstitutional provisions in the resumption of the High Court's hearing of arguments on the case. PTV correspondent Kenneth Paciente fills us in with the details in this report.
Following the terrorist acts in the country, including the most recent twin bombings in Holosulu in August last year, Associate Justice Marvic Leonen asked what would happen to the Philippines if there's no law against terrorism. This has been tackled in the resumption of oral arguments on the anti-terrorism law.
Do you think that we will become a safe haven?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Yes, because they will not be able to go to our neighboring countries like Malaysia, they have very strict rules, or Singapore, or even Indonesia for that matter. Then they will actually use the hinterlands or our places in Mindanao.
Leonen fears that the lack of the said law, the country may serve as a training ground for terrorists who can spread discord in other countries. As he interpellated Attorney Nery Colmenares, surveillance or espionage on suspected terrorists was tackled. Leonen said this can be allowed under the Bill of Rights for as long as there is a law and for need to maintain public safety. He further explained that the right of an individual suspected to be a terrorist to file a petition for habeas corpus will not be removed by the law. Meanwhile, Solicitor General Jose Calida earlier announced that the petition in intervention by two ETAs who admitted to their retraction on the first hit of the law. The Solgen said that the two ETAs were only bribed to sign the documents presented to them.
Aming inuurong ang petition in intervention na aming napirmahan sa kadahilanang hindi bukal sa aming puso at kapasyahan ang pagpirma.
Attorney Nery Colmenares, lawyer of the petitioner, asserted,
"In the first place, Your Honor, we are not aware of this latest development, but it is really strange why lawyers can force a detainee inside a PNP camp."
Chief Justice Diosdado Peralta said they unanimously denied the petition. The oral arguments will continue next week, and Peralta reminds the lawyers to keep silent on questions or interview requests from media. Kenneth Paciente for The Nation.